Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to hear from you today. In today's video, I will share with you a Ewor Kple recipe. This is a popular food in Ghana, Togo, Benin and other West African countries. It is made from raw dry cornmeal. In today's video, I will share with you how to make a Ewor Kple from this Maseca flour. So in a pan, bring some water to a boil. You can boil enough water and scoop it on the side for use later. In a small bowl, I'll add some flour to some water, mix it very well, and I'll be using that to prepare our porridge for the Akple. If you like to add some salt to your Akple, add it to the boiling water or add it to the porridge. And add the mixture to the boiling water and allow the porridge to come to a boil. If you do not allow the porridge to come to a boil, your Akple is not going to have the right texture. So please let the porridge boil before you scoop some on the side. So I'm going to scoop enough of the porridge, and the amount you have remaining in the pan depends on how much Akple you want to make. So I will just scoop enough, and I will be adding my flour to my remaining porridge in the pan. You want to stir this quickly so it doesn't form lumps. You can always add some more flour and stir and add and stir until you get the right consistency or firmness that you like. I always like my Akple to be soft, so I'm just going to add enough flour to make that happen. And now I have my porridge ready. In place of the porridge, you can also boil some hot water or scoop the hot water from the beginning. That means you'll be boiling more hot water at the beginning of making your Akple. Scoop some on the side, and also you can add that to Akple to make it soft. So now you can just stir towards your pan or towards you because everything has come together nicely. So now I'll be adding some of the porridge to my Akple. The porridge you are adding or the hot water you will add will just give you the soft or firm consistency of Akple that you like. If you like your Akple to be on the firmer side, you would like to add less porridge or less hot water. But if you like it to be more softer, you would like to add more of the hot water or the porridge. So I'm just going to add the remaining porridge, and I'm going to allow this to come to a boil, and I'm going to cook until the water has fully combined with the Akple and everything is now uniform. You can also cover your Akple after the water has really combined well with everything for a few minutes. That will give it a nice texture as well. The flour I'm already using is a little more processed, so you can choose to cover it or not. But if you are using the raw cornmeal that you get from Ghana or any part of the world that is not processed, please cover it and let it cook some more. So our Akple is ready. You can just mold this into any shape that you would like, or just scoop it onto the plate just like I'm doing, and you can enjoy your Akple with your soups, okra soup, or your palm nut soup, peanut butter soup. For me, I am enjoying this Ewor Kple with some hot pepper, agba metadi kple abobi. And I'll be sharing my abobi tadi with you, abobi recipe, how I made this anchovies recipe. I'll be sharing that with you in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe and also give me a thumbs up and press that notification button so when I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. I will see you in the next one. Bye.